switch it up like that.
Switch it up, speaker box blast, 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 blast.
Switch it up like that.
Switch it up, speaker box blast, go, 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 go.
Hi guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video we're going to show you guys how to fix a broken gearbox selector fork. If you can find the right space, please do. This is just a temporary fix to help out one of my friends. So guys, what you want to do is you want to V both sides of the broken pieces. I'll show you guys in the time lapse how to get it clean and ready for weld.
You are my kind, classic mind, and you look so fine. Loving the cold, smoking roll, see your fingers shake, and get it through your heartbreak. Some kind of peace, same for me, don't know what I need.
So you guys, I don't know if you guys can see, I V'd both sides right to the middle, so the broken pieces out. So the next thing you want to do is actually fit this thing around the selector ring and just get it tagged. I'm here at the welding table. The gear is set up in V-blocks. Please guys, make sure when you weld anything with bearings or anything like that, make sure that the part that you are welding are directly connected to the earth and it's not arcing through any of the moving parts. We're going to put on the first tag and then just take it off and make sure everything is aligned up and the sides and stuff is straight. So let's do it. So guys, the part is welded fully. You'll see I made quite a wide run. Some of you will notice that the Teflon guides on the side, one side is melted off, the other side was already missing. So what we'll do is we'll weld up both sides and just machine them off so it fits the selector ring again.
That deep dark sound. Don't tell me, babe, you make me wanna change. Break my bed to make me wanna stay. I can't buy me, babe, you make me love the pain. Break my bed to make me wanna stay. I can't when you say it like that.
So it's all welded up. So now what we're going to do is we're going to cut the inside the radius, set it up off camera. So we're going to move over to time lapse now. So this is the welded part. It's welded up. It's machined away. It's got aluminium guards now. It's turning fine. So I'll just send it back to the customer. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more content like this, please hit the subscribe button.